How to fix directions not available on iPhone maps. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application maps, or you can even search for Google Maps. Once you have found it, simply move into it. Tap on Offload app and then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application and also remove the unwanted bugs. After that, you can try uninstalling the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out. Now go back to the previous page of the settings. Scroll down and then head over to privacy and security. Head over to location services at the top. Make sure this feature is turned on. Now once again go back to the settings of a device. And then in the search bar, search for Find My Location. Simply head over to this option. So in this page, you have to make sure that this feature of Find My iPhone is turned on. Well, you can turn it on if it is turned off. After doing all of these steps, it will help you out to fix your issue. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix direction not available on iPhone maps. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.